Everybody's fascinated with trains. You know, when I was a kid, one of the first Christmas presents I got was a train, and I've been model railroading ever since. You know, I'm 77 now, so I'm still learning, still loving to do what I do. You know, I'm old enough that when my parents would go to visit my grandparents, we went on the train, and that was something special. They were steam engines at that time.
There's the thing about model railroading. There's so many aspects to it that you can't get bored. You can get frustrated, but you can't get bored.
We have 7 different gauges running, from Z all the way up to Garden, and they are running, and they are actually operating layouts, and that's kind of unusual. I enjoy, after working on the trains and we have an open house, watching the faces of the kids. They come in here and, man, they just light up. You know, it's unbelievable. It makes everything you've done the whole week or the whole month worthwhile, just to see those kids enjoying themselves.
What we have to do right after open house is walk around and clean the plexiglass from the little kids having their nose up against it, and that's a lot of fun.
It's just memories. You know, hopefully these kids and the families will have memories.
Just that it's a great bunch of guys. We all help each other. Whenever my wife's tired of me, I come down here.